Hey guys, so right now I'm trying to get ready as fast as I can, but clearly, as you can see, like I still have to do my hair. I'm probably just gonna leave it straight, and I still have to do my makeup, but I'm thinking about just going with just doing my lips, my eyes, and my eyebrows and calling it a day. I don't feel like putting on foundation. It's a hassle. This is what my outfit looks like as of now. I need to add the shoes to it and all that. I'm supposed to be leaving in about 10 minutes, and I don't think I'm gonna leave in 10 minutes. Fuck. So I kind of just did my eyebrows and my lashes. I'm gonna put on lipstick in a little bit. Not right now. I am currently trying to rush out of here, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. This is my outfit. But yeah, looks pretty good. So I'm gonna see you guys at the meet. What are we doing, huh? Oh, let me see them. Oh! Focus, camera, focus. Alright, it's not gonna focus, but you guys get the point. Fire pics coming soon.
Hopefully.
Hopefully?
No problem.
Wow.
One what?
She's a little model for today.
Only for today.
Where the donuts at?
Then in the front.
I'm hungry.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, they have
We can throw shapes together.
After what? What do you mean? Oh, I know. There's that and then whatever. Of course you'd get that one. Of course. Why not? Whoa, 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 let's not fall. Alright, alright. You forgot my name already? You're fired. Sorry. Out here eating? Being fat?
Can I record it? Can I record it? Can I record it now?
Does my car look like an evil yet? I'm just kidding. I said, does my car look like an evil yet?
No, no.
Yeah. She's getting that.
Who's that? Can I test for it?
Really?
Yeah.
Did she really? So bad luck, my check engine light literally came on and we just gotta go fix it ASAP. So that's what I'm gonna go do. So update guys, I left the meet. I am going back home. My check engine light decided to pop up, and from what I read, it's a knock sensor. So right now, like my car is bogging a lot. So it's just safe if I just take it home, get another car, you know, and try to fix this problem at least by today. I don't want to run it like this for a while. I know it could fuck up your car, but yeah, just stay tuned for that footage. So I used an app. I have a Wi-Fi OBD2 sensor. I looked up the code and it says it's my knock sensor. So I'm gonna go get a new knock sensor at AutoZone, and then I'm gonna go to my friend Poom's house and we're gonna see if we could fix it today. If not, well, I'm gonna just help him with his car because he's doing something to his car. So it gives me content, and yeah. What are you doing, Poom? What
My
are you
brakes are squeaking loud as fuck.
doing? Ooh. So you're trying to figure out
But it's not touching the indicator.
what?
Piece of shit. I'm wasting my fucking time and money right now.
Shit, that's me wasting my fucking time, buddy.
Shit. Oh, you bought the camera? You need that?
Yeah, we vlogging. Fucking stock ass Q50. It's gonna be so cast fastest soon, right?
Hell no. So how slow it.
Fucking. I want this car so bad. I need this. Poom, can I have your car, please?
Yeah, for 30 grand.
Fuck no. I just stick to my piece of shit. Like what?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know what
I'm just kidding.
lubing it up is what you're doing.
Yep.
I'm just kidding.
That was a butthole.
Ew. All that shit from your butthole. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my
Who
god.
needs brake pads when you got swag?
Oh my god.
Remember those pictures?
Yeah.
All I know we're doing is homework and shit.
Hola mamacita, I got plugs in Costa Rica. Caught her like a Pokemon, she say pika pika. She looking so fine, her booty suavecita. I get so much hate even from my own abuelita. Donde vas, donde vas? Have a good bitch, I'm a boss. Como estás, como estás? She left you, that's a loss. Ain't no one better.
You gonna brush your fucking teeth, Poom?
This is my good toothbrush too. Ugh.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
So fancy. Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh yeah, look at all that dust.
It's flying everywhere.
Lucky homo dust. I want to get these powder coated.
What color?
I don't know, maybe a little.
Oh, that would be tight.
Knowing me, I'm probably gonna use that toothbrush later by accident.
You probably would. I wouldn't doubt it. You're a fucking idiot. You would do something like that though, to be honest.
Yeah, I know. Look at this.
Damn.
Shows like fresh kicks.
Looks like fresh. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, there's a lot in there.
Oh.
Whatever. Oh, that's fucking gross.
This is funny.
Just give me.
No, I'm not moving.
Oh. Oh wait, you don't have to move actually.
You're a bitch. Move. You don't have to move.
I forgot.
What are we doing? Putting lube, more lube? Disgusting. Let me drive your Q50.
You already did.
Huh?
Have you?
No.
Oh, well, that sucks.
Damn. Have you? How can you forget?
Cause I thought I did the first day.
No? Not me. Wrong bitch.
Wrong.
I'm just kidding.
You're the only bitch I talked to.
Said no one ever.
Oh, wow. No, I'll talk to anyone.
You're the one. Crit line. What? Are Asians under my car?
Oh yeah, this shit's riding me more than you.
I currently hate you right now. Like that. Oh, fuck.
Alright.
Well,
Wait.
make sure to plug it back in.
That's what I'm trying to do. It's not clicking.
Damn, you're going on the tube, bro.
Huh?
You're going on the tube.
What do you mean? Oh, I know. Yeah, you're gonna expose me to 3 subscribers you have?
Bitch, fuck you.
I'm scared.
You already fucking exposed me.
Okay, this one's connected. Where's that little one that you disconnected? That Juice WRLD disconnected or some shit, dude. Where's that wire?
Touch the wire that's supposedly disconnected.
I can't find it. Hold on, I'm still looking for it. I think, is this it? No, that's not it.
It's right here.
Where?
I have it right here in my hand. So just the key code.
Oh my god. Just jumped this piece of shit already.
Is everything out?
I think so.
Is this shit really about to die already?
What?
Oh. All that for one sensor. Yep.
Yeah, Poom. What took you so long, Poom?
I do, Bubba.
Wow.
Call me Bubba.
It's cute.
Dude, I swear, I sent you that wire twice. And you said,
Yeah,
no,
the
it's not
rubber
that
one.
one.
What do you need to do? Oh, just hold it. This ain't a tractor. so I don't know how to work on it.
country stuff.
I don't know how to work on the main tractor. What kind of Japanese John Deere is this? Fuck, you got that all on camera. What'd you do?
Not all of it.
I was